Samson and Bradford were on their way to the quarry, but nobody had warned them about the detonators.
I'm sure this isn't the way to the Blue Mountain Quarry. You must have taken a wrong turn in the fog.
And then there was trouble.
What was that? Fireworks! Fireworks!
No, Samson, those aren't fireworks. They're fog detonators! Samson, stop screaming! They're not fireworks! Get a grip! And he's not listening.
Fireworks! Fireworks!
Excuse me, what are you playing at? This isn't a shunting yard!
Finally.
Sorry, Bradford. Don't know where we are now. Didn't mean to get lost, but, well, I really do not like fireworks.
They weren't fireworks. I've been trying to tell you. Those bangs were fog detonators to warn you about signals in the fog.
Oh.
Oh, indeed. Now we're lost in the fog in the middle of nowhere.
But what do we do now?
Nothing we can do, boyo, except sit here and wait for the fog to lift.